Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. How are you everybody? This is Reshma. Today's question is from the grade 10 standard. Topic name is Applications of Trigonometry. Question given is the angles of elevation of the top of tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that height of tower is 6 meter. Notice here the what is the most important point given here. The two angles are complementary. Two angles of elevation of the top of the tower from the points. How many points? 2 points keeping certain distance from the base of tower is complementary. So this is most important. Two angles of elevations are mutually complementary to each other. So let us draw the diagram. We have to draw the diagram. Yes, this is a ground level. Yes, diagram is most important. This is ground level and yes, let AB it refers the height of the tower. So this is a tower. This is nothing but tower and its height given how much? What is the height? Yes, we have to find the height of the tower. And the next one is let I am considering C and D are the 2 points. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower are complementary. So here I will take X as angle of elevation to the top of the tower from the point C and another will be at the point D. This is taken as 90 minus x, 90 degree minus x, because here the two angles of elevations are complementary to each other. So this angle x is more than 90 degree minus x. So at the point C the angle of elevation is more than the point D. So here identify the angle of elevation properly. Don't write here 90 minus x. If it is 90 minus x, if you mark the angle of elevation as 90 minus x at this point, so it becomes wrong because here angle of elevation is more when the distance between the two objects is less. So the diagram is completed and one more information is given. What? The distance of the 2 points from the base of tower is 4 meter and 9 meter. Therefore, BC has 4 meter, it's just this distance, and one more is what? How much? 9 meter from the base. Let the B is the base of the tower. This is equal to 9 meter. Yes. Diagram is completed. Once you complete the diagram, then you can able to solve the given question. Yes. So very clear. Let AB is the height of the tower. AB is height of tower which have to calculate. Next one is C and D are the 2 points on the ground. Yes, on the ground, keeping at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter respectively. So according to the question, yes. So consider triangle. According to the question, yes, in a right angle triangle, I am considering triangle ABC. in triangle ABC, this triangle ABC, where the angle C is x. So tan x is equal to using tan ratio, tan x is equal to opposite side is what? AB. Its opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Yes, therefore tan x is equal to AB divided by BC is 4 meter. Yes, AB divided by 4. Therefore, it's continue part. Yes. Therefore, 4 tan x is equal to AB. Yes. So, this is one important statement. Then again continue. One another triangle is there. What is the name of triangle? Yes, one more triangle is ABD. Yes, this triangle, a big triangle. In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, where the angle D is 90 degree minus x. The angle D is 90 minus x. So again tan ratio, using tan ratio, tan D is equal to opposite side is AB divided by BD. You can check the diagram. 90 minus x, its opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BD. So now substitute tan D as 90 minus x. 90 minus x is equal to AB is unknown divided by BD is a distance. The distance between the point D and to the tower is 9 meter. So here tan, okay, I have not written tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus x is cot x. As you know that tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan and cot theta are complementary to each other. Therefore, tan 90 minus x is cot x. That is equal to AB divided by 9. So, do the cross multiplication. 9 cot x is equal to AB. This is by the cross multiplication. So, I got one another statement. Look at here, the first statement. This is taken as first and this as 2. So, now see here, tan x and cot x are reciprocal to each other. Here AB refers the height of tower. So, what shall we do here? Since here tan x and cot x are complementary as well as reciprocal to each other. So, therefore, what I will do, I will multiply equation. Therefore, multiply equation 1 and 2, we get yes, 4 tan x into 9 cot x is equal to AB into AB. LHS product and RHS product. 4 9s are 36 over. Yes, 4 9s are, you can write like this way also, 4 9s are tan x into cot x is written as 1 by tan x. Yes, because cot is, its reciprocal is 1 by tan. So, you can cancel tan x and tan x. AB into AB is AB square. So, 4 9s are 36 is equal to AB square. Then, AB is equal to square root of 36, that is equal to plus or minus 6. So, AB is plus or minus 6. So, here ignoring negative because here the height of any object is always positive. So I'm ignore minus 6 negative value minus 6 as height is a positive quantity. Yes, you can't say any object height in terms of negative using negative quantity. It is not possible also. Yes, you can't say that height of the tower is minus 6 meter. This is a wrong statement. Therefore, the square root of 36, any square number has two values. One is positive and another one is negative. So here we should write the proper reason also why we are ignoring negative number, negative quantity. Therefore, take as AB as 6 meter. Finally, the height of tower is 6 meter. So actually, what is the question given here? Prove that height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay. We proved that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Hence, it is proved. This way, this problem can be solved. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe Sri Sai Guru channel.